Hi, my name is Preet and I received a UCAT score of 3,140 and I'm off to study medicine at Leicester University in September. So when I first received my offer, I was absolutely in a state of shock. I couldn't believe it because when I first started my medical school journey, there was a point in time when I thought I would receive no offers. So to get 2 offers was an amazing feeling. When I first started preparing for the UCAT, I thought it was an incredibly daunting exam and I didn't quite know what to expect, which made me very, very nervous. But I think that the guides on the MedEntry platform are really useful there in calming my anxiety to do with the exam. I also really found the mocks on the MedEntry website very useful because they gave you a scaled score after every mock you performed, and they also had mini mocks for each section if you didn't feel like doing the whole mock, which happened quite a lot because preparing for the UCAT is very, very tiring. I also really found the tools useful. So for VR, they had a tool which improved my speed reading and my ability to pick out key information from text, which I think really helped. And for quant, they had a calculator tool which single-handedly brought me from getting 400 in my mocks to getting 850 in the real UCAT exam because I really struggled with my maths to begin with. But I think overall, MedEntry was the reason why I got such a high score in the UCAT and also just helped me feel a lot more prepared for an exam which is really daunting when you're preparing for it. So thank you, MedEntry.